So hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Here in this video we are going to study about the different component of the well foundation. Okay, before this video we already discussed about the well foundation that was in previous two video. First video was sinking of well foundation and second was tilting and shifting of well foundation. So I strongly recommend to you, you have to see that first two video. Okay, so you will be very easily understand the component of well foundation. So the link of video I will keep in description box. Okay, so you can see from the there. Now let's start the different component of well foundation. Okay, different component of well foundation. So before starting the video, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get regular update. Okay, so basically there are uh, 6-7 types of component of well foundation. Okay, so you can see here, that is well cap, staining, cutting edge, well curve, bottom plug, well curve, bottom plug, and sand filling and top plug. Okay, so these are the basic component of the well foundation. Okay, so now we are going to study one by one. So in this figure, these all components are very clear. Okay, so this is the figure of well foundation, and this is pier, this is well cap, top, this is top plug. Okay, this is staining, this is side was staining, and inside this sand filling, curve, this is the curve. Okay, this is cutting edge, this is bottom plug. Okay, so these are the main components of well foundation. So first we will discuss well cap. So well cap is the RCC slab contribute at the top of well identified as the well cap. It should be sufficient strength to transfer forces from pier to body of well. The dimensions should be sufficient to accommodate the pier recommended minimum thickness 0.75 meter. Okay, so the minimum thickness would be 0.75 meter. And next one is staining. Staining, it is a wall of well and it is built over a wedge shaped portion called well curve. The staining is designed in such a way that it can sunk under its own weight. Okay, the thickness should be sufficient so as to overcome skin friction development during sinking by its own weight. The minimum reinforced in well staining should be 5 to 6 kg per meter cube. Okay, 5 to 6 kg per meter cube, of which 75% is provided vertical and 25% at its lateral. Okay, so next one is cutting edge. So cutting edge, it is lowermost part of well foundation. You can see here, you can also see in the figure cutting edge. Here is the cutting edge, this is the cutting edge. Okay, so this is the cutting edge. It is the outermost part of well. It provides comparatively sharp edge to cut the soil below during sinking operation. Okay, we will already discussed this in the sinking. And the cutting edge is either projected below the curve or sharp edge, or can also have flat bottom. The projected edge is likely to be damaged in strata of gravel and boulders. In case of flat bottom, cutting edge is provided. Okay, so generally cutting edge is provided in the case of flat bottom. So next one is well curve. What is well curve? The well curve supports staining. The curve should be slightly projected from staining to the reduce skin friction during the sinking of oil. Okay, it is made of RCC with steel cutting edge. Okay, it is the RCC with steel cutting. So these are the well curve And now we will go to the further, that is bottom plug. So you can see here bottom plug, this is the top plug. Okay, this is top plug, and this is the bottom plug. Okay, so bottom plug is made bolt shape in order to save inverted arch action. It is especially designed for the for inverted arch action. Okay, the bottom plug transmits load to soil below the when sunk to its final depth. The bottom part is connected to seal bottom completely. The bottom plug, which is confined by the well curve, acts as a raft against soil pressure from the below. It has no it has two external for minimum height of 30 cm above the top of the well curve. Concreting should be completed at one stage for the bottom plug. Okay, so these all are the main points that we should know about the bottom plug. Now we will further go in the sand filling. What is sand filling? You can see here sand filling is provided inside the staining. This is the sand filling. Okay, so sand filling, after concreting the bottom plug, sand is above the bottom plug and below top plug. Sand enhances self weight of well and thus provides stability of well, reduce tensile stress produced by the bending moment. Okay, so this is all about the sand filling. And now we will further go about the top plug. So you can see also in figure, this is a top plug. Okay, so this is the top plug that is provided in the well foundation. Okay, so top plug is a plug at the top of well below the well cap. This helps in transferring the load through granular material into staining. Okay, so this is all about the top plug. So we already discussed different component of well foundation, that is top plug, sand filling, bottom plug, and well cap, staining, cutting edge, well curve. These are the main component of well foundation. Okay, so thank you very much. See you in next video. And don't forget to see the last video, that was shifting and tilting of well foundation and sinking of well foundation. Okay, so that was also the one of the most important, that is repeatedly asked in our different final examination. Okay, so don't forget to see this video and do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. If you have any queries, comment below. Thank you very much.